If you endeavour to prevent a police officer from arresting someone, then you are obstructing him or her from carrying out the law, and this is an offence. Inspector Michelle Lewis from the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service explains that anything preventing an officer from carrying out their duty gives the police the right to arrest that person.
So that when you talk about a police officer or someone resisting arrest or obstructing an officer in the execution of his duties, you can look simply at in relation to keeping the peace or any breach of the law, and any breach of the law is in relation to any portion of any act.
Inspector Lewis says obstruction may be in words and or in action. So even young people shouting or jeering at the police as they conduct their work can be seen as committing an offence. She says everyone should take note of this because the penalties for obstructing the police have been made harsher.
And where before under the Act, the Police Service Act 1501/2016, that offence carried a penalty of 2 years and $15,000 or $10,000, if I can just correct myself, $10,000. That now has moved from 2 years imprisonment to 3 years imprisonment.
Okay.
And to a fine of $50,000. So it has increased dramatically. It has moved from being a summary offence to an indictable offence, which is that it has to be heard before a judge and jury.
This, she explains, is evidence that those creating the law see stiffer penalties as a way of creating heightened respect for police authority.